Now let's talk about uploading. Uploading 360 photos are easy. As long as you have some form of cellular data or internet connection, your photos should be automatically sent to our ProjectSight server. If you're at a site without internet connection, as soon as you reconnect to some sorts of data or internet connection, your 360 photo will be sent to our ProjectSight server. Video uploads are a little bit different. There are two ways to do mobile uploads for your videos. The first way is right after you capture video. So let's talk about the state of connection between our camera and our phone right after we upload our video. Our camera is still connected to our phone, and that connection takes up the Wi-Fi that we might otherwise be connected to. Once I finish taking a video, you'll have a carousel including the data of your latest capture, including the date that you took it, the user that took it, the video length, and the file size. If you want to upload it right away, you can click the yellow Upload Video button. This will take you to the 360 Video Upload Hub. There's another way to get to this hub, and it's from the home page. This is recommended if you know you're going to take multiple videos in a day and you want to bulk upload them instead of uploading them one by one after you take each of them. You can access the Upload Hub from the bottom of the home page only if there are videos to upload. If you don't have anything to upload, then you will not see the little banner at the bottom here that says Uploads, Capture Ready. I'm going to click this from the home page and it takes me to the 360 Video Upload Hub. The upload happens in two stages. The first stage is actually a transfer stage. It transfers the video from your camera to your mobile device. This requires the camera to be connected to your phone. It does not require that your phone has data. So I'm going to start that process now. Great, once the file is transferred, you'll get a notification on the ProjectSight mobile app saying that your video is ready to transfer, this time from your phone, where the video is now, to the web. So if you have access to good cellular data, you can just click cellular data, or if you need to switch to Wi-Fi, you can click connect to Wi-Fi. If you select connect to Wi-Fi, this will disconnect your camera from your phone. Then you have the ability to connect your phone to a reliable Wi-Fi network. I have cellular data, so I'm going to click cellular data, and this will begin the transfer of the video on your phone now to the server. Once the transfer is complete, your video card will turn green and it will move over to the completed tab in the 360 Video Upload Hub. And that's how you do mobile uploads for 360 Capture.